Now, we need to
It's
add a
so
spawn location.
small.
No, it's not small. It's not small. All right, try to close down the toolbox.
Okay. But how can we make it even bigger?
I'll show you. Try to close down the toolbox. Once you close the toolbox, go to editor here.
Editor?
Go on. Yes. Go to edit.
Edit?
Yes.
Grow.
Now pick up paint. Oh, no, not grow. This whole thing is for the terrain. That is the ground or the world. And scroll down.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
No, I mean scroll down here in this
yeah.
window.
It's just I'm just using the down button.
You're doing it great. And pick up a material. Let's say pick up a pavement.
Okay.
And then try to paint this thing round because you'd see the grass are too high. So paint it below. Yeah, start painting.
Okay. I don't know how to paint.
Oh, click. There we go. Paint it below the McDonald's too, because there will be all grass over there. You know, there is a trick for it. I'll show you. Taking controls. You can scroll up. You can pick up a square block, increase the size, and zoom out, like turn around, go up, and then try painting the whole ground in one go. Cool?
That's so cool. Nice one.
Now, I'll close the paint editor. Now, I wanted to give you the view about how this is exactly going to work. Now, add a spawn location to test it. So go to model area.
Model?
Yes. And
Transform?
no, click on the spawn and drag it here. Or just click on the spawn.
This?
Oh, no, the spawn location. I made the circle on top. I made the circle here. This thing.
I don't see it.
Spawn.
Oh. I don't. Okay.
Oh, you would have to move it, right? Yes. Can you move
Yeah.
it? All right, click on spawn. It's like a place where your player gets in the game. Okay, now play the game.
Okay. Okay. Where do I?
You click on play. Here,
Okay.
I made the circle for you.
I want to
Cool.
go. I want to go to McDonald's. I want to go to McDonald's. Hello, what can I order for you? I want chicken nuggets and french fries and a double cheeseburger. Okay, right for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yay. Hey.
See, I told you it's big enough, right? All right, stop the game running. I'll also explain you about some scripting. Basically, we don't need to do the scripts right now at the beginning, but yeah. So, step one, click on the home tab.
Okay.
Oh, we need to, now, you know, there is a main thing about Roblox is the views. Basically, I'll tell you about some views. Like we open toolbox, we open editor. There are two important views to make games or write down scripts or build your projects. You go to view tab, click on the view here,
Okay.
and then click on Explorer and Properties. Open the first two windows. Yes, click on it, click on it.
McDonald's.
Do you see these things happening here? I'm taking controls for a second. I might have to, you know, I might have to just scale it a little bit over to the right. Well, this is the gizmo, which will help you to rotate your camera. We'll just keep it above there. And this window is too squashed to the right, so I'm just gonna slightly increase the area. Good. What's this for? This is like your backpack. You know, in Scratch, you had a backpack which tells you about everything you have in the game, or the sprite window. This tells everything about your game. Mainly, as the beginner, you will be just working over here, the workspace. What's a workspace? Workspace is your game. That means everything in your game will be here. Right now in your game, you have a camera, that is the player tracker. You have a terrain, that's this whole world. Uh, Spawn location, which is this thing. And you also have a McDonald's, which is
I
over here.
have a McDonald's.
Cool. Now, I want you to add a script over here. How do you add a script? Keep your mouse over to the workspace, the word workspace. Do you see the workspace here? Just keep your mouse over here onto the workspace. And do you see there's a plus sign coming next to it? A tiny plus sign?
Yeah.
Click on that tiny plus sign.
I knew you should say.
Okay, now click on script.
Okay, with scripts.
The second one.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's
Do you
like
see
it's like
just
Python.
yeah, it's exactly like Python. So Roblox uses a programming language called Lua, which is also like Python. It's almost like Python. So try to write another print statement. Say, hi, I'm Julian. I'm doing Roblox video. Go on.
Okay, print.
Hmm.
It even says it.
Yeah,
We
it
don't
gives
need to
you, it
write.
gives,
We don't
yeah,
need to
it gives,
write.
yeah, the suggestion
Hi.
box helps you.
Hmm. Oh, need to go. Hi.
Do you see you're missing something out there?
Oh right. Yeah. And then I'm Julian. Now I should play now.
Well, there is still something missing. What do you think?
What?
Something is missing.
Give me a hint.
Look at the print above and the print below. What's missing?
Oh, I know.
Something like this.
I know that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Uh-oh, that went wrong.
No, that didn't.
All right, there we go. Now try to play the button here. Click on the play button. You will see your scripts working. And go to view. There is also another window which you need to open. So click on view and
View
click on output. Output.
output.
Right. And there we go. Do you see? It says
Yeah.
below. Over here. Hello world. Hi, I'm Julian. Cool. Let me make this thing even much more easier for you to
Okay.
read. Taking controls, it's pretty important.
No.
Taking controls. I'll just hide out those additional things. So clicking over here. Oh, it's kind of glitchy. Okay. Should note we don't need timestamps, we don't need the context, we don't need the source. Good. Good.
Yeah. That's my
Now,
name.
all right, now you need to stop the game running again. Stop the game running.
Okay.
And X this thing out. So because you don't need to always see your scripts out running, right? Okay. And you wanted to test out you want to customize your avatar, remember? You wanted to change your avatar. Let me help you to change your avatar. Well, basically, we don't need it for this moment. We will do it later. Okay. So I'll teach you about how you can customize your character. Now, for today, we're gonna work with moving and building the 3D worlds. You ready? Okay. So click on Home tab.
Okay. I want to
And
put it 3D.
yeah, click on parts. I want you to build one. Click on parts.
It.
All right, there you go. Do you see the tiny parts out there? Now try to scale and build something. Like use these tools here.
Okay. What is the red, blue,
So
and
that's a rotating tool, right? So blue will rotate it likewise. Wait, can I take controls? I'll
then
explain you
blue
first.
and
Can I explain? Wait, I'm taking controls. Just a second. You won't
red?
understand it that way. Usually, there is like when you're making 3D models, taking controls in 3, 2, 1, go. When you're working with 3D models, you need to think about real things. For example, reality.
I want